I'm going to share with you like my little secrets. I'm so excited for this sale that I didn't even do my regular intro. All the body lotions are between $7.99 and $12.50. Don't think that you will get it cheaper abroad or something. Please get this. So I'm going to link what I purchased and you can actually see these small because I have a red card holder and they say it brings you a lot of luck and wealth. Yeah, you can come and watch me drink my morning coffee. I was done with a full shoot day and I was just sitting on my phone and abhi Nykaa की Pink Love sale शुरू हुई है. So I was scrolling and I was going to shop something for myself. Some essentials. I thought अगर कुछ अच्छे deals है तो मैं कुछ खरीद लूंगी. And then I started seeing and there are some really good discounts. मैं Instagram पे stories डालने लगी and I was shopping for Reet as well because of course it's Valentine's. I'll have to give him something. So then I thought I'll see what is there in the Nykaa fashion category for men's and there also there are really good deals. So I thought okay ठीक है. I think it's too many recommendations to put on Instagram stories. तो मैं बैठ के YouTube video shoot कर लेती हूँ. So I pulled out my vlogging camera and here we are. We're going to shop together and I'm going to highlight some deals that I am seeing right now on the Nykaa app which are crazy good and I want to like I'm filling my cart right now. These are products that usually even I don't get in PR, so I really need to get my hands on them. The first thing that I saw with a crazy discount that caught my eye was Victoria's Secret. Like somehow only during this Pink Love sale I see the best discounts on Victoria's Secret. It's like 67% off. I'll leave all the links for you all in the description box. Victoria's Secret's perfumes and body mist actually last really long. They're very expensive, very overpriced even internationally. Okay, so I've added this one to my cart, the Victoria's Secret Bare Vanille Body Mist. I don't have this one and I'm really into vanilla fragrances lately. I've not used this but I have used Pure Seduction and Pure Seduction is a great fragrance. I also have one more from them. I think the Bombshells mist I have and unke mist बहुत लंबे काम करते हैं. It's like meringue and vanilla. I'm sure it'll be a sweet fragrance. Its original price is 2,500 when we're getting it for 799 rupees, 68% off. So that's crazy. I'm so excited for this sale that I didn't even do my regular intro. Hi guys, I'm Sarah. I make beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Take a moment, hit that subscribe button, join the Sarah Squad in case you're new here. I'm sure you'll love it here. We keep it very chill, very organic, very candid, and you'll feel like you found a best friend in me. That's what it will feel like to be a part of the Sarah Squad. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. And with that, we will continue shopping for this sale. The other thing I added from Victoria's Secret to my cart is the Bare Vanilla ठीक है सत्यम सॉरी गुलाबी कलर की बॉटल है ऐसी दिखती है बड़ी थोड़ी बड़ी है ठीक है जब तक दरवाजा बंद कर देगा मैं वीडियो शूट कर रही हूँ. I also added the Bare Vanilla Shimmer Lotion from Victoria's Secret. I love shimmer body lotions. I have this one from Bath and Body Works and I remember I paid 2,500 for it. It is still there with me but you know backup never hurt and this one is now 1,250 rupees. So it's half the price of Bath and Body and it's also at 50% off. Overall, go to the Victoria's Secret page. You will find some really good discounts. There's Pure Seduction which is 1,250 rupees. All the body lotions are between 799 and 1,250. My top picks for you would be Bare Vanilla, Pure Seduction, Bombshell. Don't go for the Victoria's Secret perfumes. They don't last as long. The mists are definitely longer lasting for a mist category. But perfume is literally 7,000 rupees and it's not that long wearing. If you really have the budget to go for 7,000 rupees, go for Burberry Her. Like spend 3,000 more and buy a Burberry Her or a Burberry Black and definitely more worth it. Or if you want to go in the more affordable section, there's a recent perfume I've been obsessed with. Actually, Nykaa only sent it to me in the Pink Love. I'm gonna get it for you. Just a minute. This perfume, you guys, I am obsessed. It smells so good, so fresh. It's this brand called Ajmal perfume and this is their Nia perfume. It's floral, okay, but it's not like okay फूल रख दिया सामने and बहुत ज़्यादा फूल की खुशबू आ रही है. It's the most elegant form of floral. It's almost a dupe of the Lancome Idole. It's got these musky cedarwood notes in just the baseline. तो वो musk के undertone की वजह से वो floral इतना अच्छे से tone down हो जाता है and it's also very long lasting. जब से मुझे मिली मैंने ऐसे ही ट्राई कर दिया और फिर मैं रोज ही लगा रही हूँ उसको एंड आई एम सीइंग कि रोज अगर मैं ऑफिस में ड्यूरिंग द डे लगाती हूँ रात तक इट्स देयर ऑन माय स्किन. आई कैन स्मेल इट ऑन माय सेल्फ एंड आई लव परफ्यूम्स दैट आई कैन स्मेल ऑन माय सेल्फ बिकॉज वेल आई पेड फॉर इट सो आई वांट टू बी एबल टू स्मेल माय ओन परफ्यूम. आई पुट इट ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी आल्सो राइट नाउ व्हिच इज व्हाई आई नो दैट्स ओनली 350 rupees. So please if you want to try a new perfume get your hands on this one. Another affordable perfume you know I love is my Plum Body Loving. When I met Jovita in Andaman she was wearing Plum Body Body Loving Smoke and Vanilla. And the minute she came close to me, I was like, this is Plum Smoke and Vanilla. And she was like, yeah. Whenever I travel with like the Plum ones because they're small, they're compact, they're easy to travel with. And I was like, I can smell that perfume from a distance and I can tell because मैं इतना ज़्यादा उसको office में use करती हूँ. Again, it's here only, but I don't want to get up so many times. But Plum Body Loving Smoke and Vanilla is smoking good, so musky. If you're not a floral perfume person, you want something just musk and vanilla, you're gonna love it. Plus, Plum's perfume at that price category lasts super long, like a good 6-7 hours easily. Like this one will last you 4 to 5 hours, then it will tone down, but Plum will last like more than that for sure. Let me see how much Plum is giving this perfume. Plum Body Lovin' Smoke and Vanilla. Plum has some new perfumes also. They've launched like chotu size mein also a lot of perfumes. I think it's out of stock. It's there. 50 ml is for 674. Us pe bhi 25% off hai, and you're getting the chotu size also for 259 rupees. I would suggest you get the big size. I'm sure you're gonna love the Plum Body Loving perfume. I don't know why I'm talking so much about perfume. Let's see. Okay, Dove also has some. Oh, Beauty of Joseon has. Oh my god, you guys, Beauty of Joseon. Please get this. If you are gonna get into your Korean skincare era, you want to start with Beauty of Joseon. Like this brand is something else. The products are so good. So good for oily combination sensitive skin type like mine. Beauty of Joseon products are good. There will be no going back from this. The glow serum and the sunscreen, the rice water sunscreen, both of these products are their bestseller. They've put them also together. I am gonna link this for you niche because it's at 25% off. It says it's the lowest price in the last 1 year, and if I was you, if I didn't already have it, I would buy this. Like it's so good. I don't know about the other products. मैंने sunscreen और ये serum use किया है, and मैंने उनका the cleansing oil भी use किया. उनके actually सारे products के बारे में बहुत अच्छे reviews सुने और जो भी मैंने try किया मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा है. The cleansing oil is also at 1275 rupees. It's 25% off. It's their number 16 bestseller on Nykaa. The cleansing oil super good. Check out Beauty of Joseon. They have a cleansing balm as well. I didn't know about this. I'm adding this to cart. It's their number 2 bestseller. Oh my god. Korean skincare is actually something you want to check out during the sale for yourself because you know usually Korean skincare is super expensive. Another brand you all know I love is CeraVe. CeraVe pay the moisturizers, the face washes are currently at 10% off. I'm going to link the foaming cleanser and the hydrating cleanser both for you in the description box because both of them are really my favorites. CeraVe is that brand कि अगर आपकी sensitive skin type है, you want to check out CeraVe because CeraVe's products are very good for sensitive skin, for skin that breaks out. आपको acne बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. If you feel like मुझे कोई भी skincare product suit ही नहीं करता, तो CeraVe, Sebamed, these are the brands you should go for. Don't like try to experiment too much with even Korean skincare for that matter. But honestly, Korean skincare is like life changing. I know I'm talking too much only. आज I feel like मैंने ज़्यादा बात नहीं किया ऑफिस में, इसलिए मेरे पास इतना 10:30 बज रहेगा इस रात के. मैं 10:30 बजे एकदम कैंडिडली आप लोगों के साथ शूट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मेरा मन कर रहा है शूट करने का. इसलिए नहीं कर रही क्योंकि मुझे करने की जरूरत है. आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट बिकॉज आई एम फीलिंग लाइक इट. Crazy. The moisturizing cream, this big tub from CeraVe, I have emptied this tub. It's the number 17 bestseller on Nykaa, currently at 10% off only. But I don't think they give more discount on CeraVe because it is a premium brand. I have shopped it from Europe also, and इससे ज़्यादा महंगा पड़ता है यूरोप में. इनफैक्ट मैंने ये सेम डब्बा उधर से 20 euros का लिया था, which is almost 2000 रुपया. तो यहाँ पे 1300 रुपये में it's not bad. So don't think that you will get it cheaper abroad or something. Honestly, India prices right now for anything and everything is the cheapest, which is why I did not purchase any. Like even Elf and all जो मैंने खरीदी ना, इतना difference नहीं था US और India में. Even Elf actually has discount right now. I saw that Elf has 30% off. Let me pull out my Elf card. Okay, Elf has up to 30% off. My top 5 products from Elf Cosmetics that will change your makeup game. First one, this Halo Glow liquid filter. Superb product. Like it's better than Charlotte Tilbury in my opinion. I love some makeup by Charlotte Tilbury, but I genuinely don't think it's 4,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees worth it. It's super expensive. Charlotte Tilbury is overpriced for sure. But Elf Cosmetics ka ye Halo Glow liquid filter is really good. It's said to be a dupe of Charlotte, but I think it's even better. The Elf 16-hour camo concealer, I have just got it from US. Right now it's at 764 rupees. It's 15% off. I will leave my shade in the description box because I don't remember my shade. You're getting 12 shades and it's for 764. I think it's a great concealer for 700 rupees. It's superb. The camo liquid blush is also really good. अगर आपको ऐसे थोड़े different type के colors चाहिए तो इसका Gorge Orange and Coral Crush both are really good corally orange colors. In case you haven't seen Pack Exara, Fudge Me Not, you haven't checked that out, you can buy this if you want, but this is slightly more expensive. It's 808 rupees. Pack Exara is of course 650 rupees or something on discount. Then this, I have been This product I have really been loving by Elf Cosmetics. I am not a big contouring person. I'm not a bronzer girl. I don't bronze a lot, but ever since I came across the Elf Halo Glow Contour Wand, I have enjoyed contouring. I just put 2 drops, like इसका same वो Charlotte Tilbury का वो जो press वाला packaging है ना, उसके जैसा ही आता है, and you just have to like press it on these points. आज मैंने नहीं use किया है, but जब मैं quick makeup करती हूँ, I avoid contouring altogether. But if you want to go for like शादी season आ रहा है, you want a really high chisel, like जब मैंने Latina makeup trend किया था, तभी I used it, and तब से I've been enjoying using it. The contour shade I use, I will also put in the description box. I can see there are like 5 shades in contour, which is great. It's a small tube. You're not getting a lot of product. It's 1,000 rupees on discount. 15% off you're getting, but I think it's a really good product. ये same Halo Glow में जो इनकी blush है वो बकवास है. Blush को avoid करो. आप सिर्फ contour wand, अगर आप contouring करना नहीं जानते and you feel like it's intimidating, trust me, this will make it easy for you. Just 1 drop and blend so easy, so nicely. It blends and creates such a nice shadow. It actually creates a shadow and not just a brown patch on your skin, you know. So I really like the Elf Contour Wand. And what else would I suggest from Elf? The lip oil, I have it, I use it, but I'm not obsessed with it. It's 1,000 rupees, and I think you have better lip oils under a budget now. In fact, Flossy Cosmetics is doing really well. They recently launched a new product, and one of my favorite liquid lipsticks of all time is from Flossy Cosmetics, the In Therapy liquid lipstick. It's currently, they have only 8 left on Nykaa. The shade Plot Twist is my favorite nude shade. On Instagram, every time I apply this and I put a story, everyone will ask me which is the lipstick you're wearing, and I get the most amount of compliments for this nude lipstick. It's the perfect nude. Like, it's a nude. It's not like this. It's not darker brown. It's very neutral, but it actually looks super flattering. It's at 679 rupees after discount. And the lip gloss in the shade Hot Cocoa is the only lip gloss currently in stock on Nykaa, and I love the lip gloss. It's so Flossy Cosmetics, these 2 products are my favorite. उन्होंने नया भी कुछ launch किया, but वो Nykaa पे I think आता नहीं अभी तक. Then we've got my favorite brand, Dot & Key. Dot & Key's sunscreens and moisturizers. Like, these 2 products, get it for yourself, get it for your partner. Reeth also only uses Dot & Key's moisturizer and sunscreen. Like, he's also obsessed with it because उसको ज़्यादा चिपचिपा कुछ भी पसंद नहीं, बहुत नाटक करता है कुछ भी अपनी शक्ल पे लगाने के लिए. And Dot & Key's textures are very gentle. They do have fragrance in some of the products. Mostly nowadays, sunscreens don't have fragrance at all. The Vitamin C Super Bright Moisturizer is one of my favorites. This does have fragrance, but it's still an amazing moisturizer. It's still one of those luxury texture moisturizers that you're getting, and it's really good price, like 371 rupees. The Vitamin C Sunscreen is 334 rupees, and it's the #1 bestseller on Nykaa. Amazing. And Reeth's favorite moisturizer is actually this one, which is 296 rupees. The Hyaluronic and Ceramide Barrier Repair Hydrating Face Moisturizer. Dot & Key ka price is great. This is fragrance free. So Reeth has really like atopic skin, like really sensitive skin, like even more sensitive than mine. So that suits him really well. The face wash I use in the common bathroom, like for any guest or anybody coming in, and even I use in the morning time, is this one, the Dot & Key Vitamin C face wash. It's just 187 rupees. It's a great like everyday face wash. My favorite brand for face washes is actually Foxtail. Foxtail makes great face washes. Both my bathrooms have like 2 Foxtail body washes and 2 Foxtail face washes. Oh, this product is killer from Foxtail. This purple mask, I love it. It's 409 rupees. And it's a 4.4 rating. #1 bestseller on Nykaa again for the brand. इस पे 25% discount है. उनके body washes कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छे हैं Foxtail के. Every time I have bath with the body wash and I come out, ऐसा लगता है perfume लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. उन लोग literally उन्होंने बोला है, उनके tagline में ही ऐसा कुछ है कि perfumed body wash or something. What does it say? Exfoliating body wash. But the tagline had something on these lines. It's a very cutesy packaging also. So Foxtail with the packaging, I think they're so attractive that when you see it, you want to, like, bathroom में इतने सारे products है, उसमें से मुझे मन करता है कि मैं उनके products लेके नहाऊं. So that's the feeling I get with Foxtail. The cleansers I love from them is the hydrating cleanser, the acne control cleanser, which is the dark blue one. The body wash that I love from them is not the pink one, this one, the light blue one. I love this body wash. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, in case you're gonna ask me what is the lipstick I am wearing right now, it's this new Nykaa's super light lipstick. आज मैं नया makeup try करी थी in general, whatever's new on the market for an Instagram Instagram reel. I was just doing that, and then Nykaa sent me these. Like, they sent me 4 shades. I've kept one somewhere. The shade I'm currently wearing is Cinnamon Swirl, and it's so good. Like, look at this brown shade. I'm very much into brown lipsticks these days, and this shade of brown complements me so nicely. And this lipstick formula is amazing, you guys. Not sponsored. Just this whole video is not sponsored. कोई भी brand ऐसा मुझे bathroom में बैठ के आप लोग से बात नहीं करने देगा ऐसी हालत में. But I'm just saying that this is so nice on the lips, so comfortable, so matte, yet so long wearing. Subah I put this. I went for a bath and I had a meeting, so I just put this and I attended the meeting. उसके बाद मैं नहाने गई. नहा के निकली तो अभी लिपस्टिक थी मेरी शक्ल पे. I don't wash my face with soap in the shower, but it was still there, and I was like, oh wow, this lipstick is really long wearing, whereas not drying at all, not cracky, just amazing. Nykaa kills it with their lipstick formula. The super light में I think they launched concealer, foundation, all that also, but मैंने कुछ भी और try नहीं किया. I tried the mascara. It's a pass. It's not a hit mascara. The lipsticks though, I love it. I got Rose All Day. I've also got Scarlet Sangria. I've done swatches in a Instagram reel जो आएगा. वो भी sponsored नहीं है reel. मैंने ऐसी time pass के लिए, मतलब organic content के लिए time pass. I do this for a living. But yeah, it's not sponsored content, but I really liked the lipstick. I will link this lipstick for you from Nykaa Cosmetics. Since we are on the topic, what I also really like is their Get Cheeky blushes. I think in cream blush category, you will love it. It's formulated in Italy as per them. The pigment is really long wearing and it doesn't give you acne. Like, I feel like, you know, I used to use Rare Beauty all the time and I love Rare Beauty with all my heart, but I have a feeling that every time I use Rare Beauty, I break out somehow. Not the concealer. I love the concealer. Today also I put the Rare Beauty concealer, but somehow every time I use Rare Beauty's blush, I break out. I don't know if it's the blush कि मैं गंदा brush use कर रही थी, but it used to break me out. And then I moved to Pac Exara. Of course, I've been obsessed. I've used Pac Exara the most. My Pac Exara blushes are my favorite to use. But when I feel cream blush, I don't want a shine on my face because Pac Exara gives you a glow also. So if you want a matte blush and doesn't break you out, if you have acne prone skin like mine, try the Nykaa one. I think you'll really like it. It's currently at 406,509. Nykaa changes. हर shade का अलग price रखा है उन्होंने. My favorite shades are Berry Cute and Flirty Peach from Nykaa. And what else do I? Oh, I love the Nykaa Mattelicious Lip Crayon. Is Jade Rose in stock? Yes, it is. Jade Rose is in stock. Nyka's Mattelicious Lip Crayon is delicious. It's my favorite lip crayon on the market. I also love the Mars Lip Crayon. NARS तो मैंने आज तक कभी ट्राई भी नहीं किया एक्चुअली. NARS का फाउंडेशन बहुत लोग मुझे बोलते हैं कि बहुत अच्छा है, बट इट्स सो एक्सपेंसिव. या सी Nykaa Super Light has a concealer also, but skin tint. Okay, another product I have in my cart is from Dove, their body polish. I've never tried their body polish, but I've heard a lot of people talk really good stuff. In fact, Sherin also said that she bought it and she really likes it. So I'm gonna buy the Dove's body polish for myself, and I'm seeing that Dove पे बहुत अच्छे offers in general. The body polish is available with the body wash also for shopping, so you can get the combo if you want. The one I am getting is this one, the brown sugar and coconut butter is what the body polish scrub is. Basically it's a scrub, but Sherin said कि उसके exfoliating beads इतने ज़्यादा बड़े नहीं हैं, and it's imported माल on Nykaa. It's just 500 something, so I think it's a good price. If you're buying, then also buy the Dove's Glow body wash. I love their Glow body wash. In fact, Andaman में मुझे बहुत sand flies ने काटा था इस बार. हर बार मैं Andaman जाती हूँ मुझे कुछ ना कुछ होता है मेरी body पे, but sand flies ने काटा था, and sand fly bites leave like really big marks all over my leg. It looks like I got chicken pox or something, and ऐसे बड़े 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 छत्ते छत्ते छूट गए, and उस पे scab form हो गया. So while I had to like get rid of the dead skin, get rid of the scabs, I don't want to scratch and itch and spoil my skin. So I was feeling very itchy, but I was exfoliating with that body wash, the Dove Vitamin C body wash, and then I was moisturizing really heavily with my CeraVe lotions and very heavy thick cream में लगा के उसको ठीक किया है. But the body wash also definitely contributed to not make my skin super itchy. So I'm gonna link my Dove Glow Recharge body wash for you. This is what it looks like, the 3% vitamin C. Okay, new brand discovery on Nykaa for me personally is Nat Habit. It's a very affordable brand. Like the prices are like 200, 300, 500 for combos. Never knew this brand existed, but what really attracted me is the oil, like baal mein lagane ka tel. And you know, when I lose weight, like when I'm on my weight loss journey, I lose a lot of hair also. Whenever your body loses a lot of weight drastically, it tends to lose hair because it's like a body's reflex mechanism. It feels like, oh, you're in distress, and so your hair starts falling because hair is a luxury. And this time, to avoid avoid that because it happened to me very badly in 2024. This time to avoid that, I'm trying to really chumpy and take care of my hair, and I use the Indivile Chumpy Hair Oil. I just wanted to give it a mix, and so I saw this one, the Nat Habit 100% Rosemary. So every hair oil of theirs actually has product dispensed in it. Like अगर hibiscus है तो hibiscus का फूल है अंदर, rosemary है तो rosemary का फूल है. तो उनके पास हर तरीके के like 100% pure गुलाब जल, 100% pure cold pressed castor oil, pure cold pressed virgin olive oil, everything. The rosemary water hairspray for frizz control, hair growth. So it just really attracted me. So I thought of purchasing the Nat Habit rosemary hair oil. They also have bamboo hair combs and stuff. So I'm gonna link what I purchased. I purchased this rosemary hair spray because for frizz control it's supposed to be very good, just to put on my scalp and give my scalp a refresh every day. Then I also purchased the rosemary hair oil, this tri-leaf rosemary dasa booty hair oil. अब भी आया होगा, and it's just 423 rupees. You also, हाँ मैंने छोटा size खरीदा है, मैंने 289 rupees वाला खरीदा है. 31% off पे currently. It's 100 ml, which is also good amount. कितना तेल थोड़ा मैं लगाऊंगी. But yeah, it's a great, like looks really impressive. Honestly, haven't tried it yet, so I'm not giving you a review. मुझे खुद अच्छा लगा देख के, तो मैंने खरीदा है अपने लिए. If you've tried it, let me know in the comments what do you guys think about the brand, about the product, if you've tried it. I so far use Indivile's Chumpy Hair Oil, and I think Indivile is killing it. It's definitely a brand to look out for, in my opinion. That's one creator brand that is doing really well. Like, it's a beauty brand that is actually listening to the people, is making for the people, as other beauty brands also say they are doing. But I feel like a lot of people in between miss the plot. But Indivile, like Deepa, a huge respect for her. She's killing it, like with the product as well as the marketing. Like, both go hand in hand for them. They're everywhere and anywhere, and for the right reasons. I have not yet tried the new lip tints, the new lip balm, but I'm obsessed with the dewy lip. This is the original lip balm. I'm obsessed with it. Mummy's obsessed with him. It's currently at 10% off, and I'm gonna repurchase because I lost mine. Me and lip balms, they never, like, I can never maintain a lip balm till I exhaust it. मेरे lip balms हमेशा घूम जाते हैं because मैं यहाँ वहाँ रख देती हूँ, travel करती हूँ, एक आधा bag में होता है. The Chumpy hair oil is actually a lifesaver. It's genuinely saved my hair, at least the texture, and keeping my scalp alive through the hair fall phase, the really bad hair fall phase that I was having in 2024. This Indivile Chumpy hair oil and the Wishcare hair growth serum, like, if I could give awards, I would give awards to these two products, that they saved my hair. Really saved my hair. Like, मैं टकली हो गई होती अभी तक जितना बाल मेरा जा रहा था शावर में. In 2024, if you'll notice, I didn't do any hair care campaigns. I think मैंने एक ही Wishcare का कैंपेन किया था, वो भी ये हेयर ग्रोथ सीरम का किया था, और एक उनके शैम्पू के रेंज का किया था. बाकी मेरे बालों की ऐसी हालत हो रखी थी कि मुझे कोई नया ब्रांड शैम्पू भी भेज रहा था ना, मुझे ट्राई ही नहीं करना था. I didn't want to give it a shot because I didn't want to change my hair care routine. I was losing a lot of hair. I was in distress. I was not realizing why and what was happening to my body. But I later realized that it's because I consulted with my dermat, and he told me, because you lost weight, it's a body's reflex mechanism when you lose weight. So I was like, you lose weight, that's a problem. You gain weight, that's a problem. It's like you can't win with life, you know. But anyway, the Wishcare hair growth serum is genuinely so good. I still use it to date. It's my third bottle of the product, and it's the #1 hair growth serum, visible result in 90 days, blah blah blah. For me, see this bal, I will show you this bal, okay? Let me zoom in on my scalp a little bit for y'all. Y'all can see actually कि यहाँ से मैं टकली होने लगी थी. Like, मेरा पोनीटेल अगर पीछे खींचूंगी ना, तो मुझे इधर पूरा ही बॉल्ड पैच आ गया था. बट ये जो आपको जो छोटे छोटे बाल दिख रहे हैं ना, ये सिर्फ हेयर ग्रोथ सीरम की वजह से आया. छोटे, एकदम छोटे छोटे बाल जो आ रहे हैं. So all this is not hair breakage. This is actually, I had gone bald from this area, and you can actually see these small baby hair come and crop up for me. So it's made a visible difference for me, and the hair texture for me was definitely maintained by my Indivile hair oil. Wow, I'm going more zoom. Indivile hair oil. Wow, this, I could have kept it this much zoom pehle only. I don't know why I have not kept it zoomed in. Kafi zoomed out, but basically it will help with the... Okay. You know what? I've shopped a lot for myself, and I think we girls need to really control our shopping instinct. Okay, if you're shopping from Wishcare and the hair growth serum is anyways on discount, I would also suggest that you try their new sunscreen. If you don't want to invest in Korean sunscreens, then you definitely need to try the Wishcare sunscreen, because the texture is very similar to how Korean sunscreens are. Very fluidy, very lightweight, and the filters actually work, because I carried it to Havelock and they really worked for me this time. Their sunscreen body lotion is also really good. It's one of those body lotions that absorbs into your skin really nicely. तो वो चिपचिपा चिपचिपा फीलिंग नहीं देता है, व्हाइट कास्ट नहीं देता है, और बहुत जल्दी अब्सॉर्ब हो जाता है स्किन में. एंड दे रिसेंटली लॉन्च द सुपर ब्राइट सीरम, द विटामिन सी सीरम. दैट ऑल्सो इज रियली ग्रेट सीरम. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट ऑलमोस्ट every like other day in the morning routine. Does not break me out. It's not the kind of vitamin C that will make your skin sensitive. Like, it's not the kind of vitamin C that breaks out or is unstable in packaging. So really great products from Wishcare. For me, top 5 would be underarm roll-on. It's in my bathroom. After shower, I apply that. The hair growth serum concentrate and sunscreen body lotion. Sunscreen body lotion भी मैं regularly उनके Andaman में लगा रही थी. This time you were all asking me कि what did you do differently in Havelock that you didn't tan like last time. One, तो I wore full sleeves, full clothes, but also under the clothes I was applying my sunscreen body lotion from Wishcare and my sunscreen on the face from Wishcare. Wishcare is actually doing really great products, like useful products at a great price. So that also I'm very like, their packaging and all I'm not a fan of. I'm not a fan of the branding in general. I feel like they can do better over there. Like the branding doesn't feel appealing, you know. I don't feel like gravitating, but the products just work. Like they literally just work and they have really good results. So I'm impressed with the results and the efficacy of the products. I think we've shopped enough. Like girls, we've shopped enough. Reed के लिए recently actually I purchased all his beauty favorites. अब भी मैंने खरीदा refill of his Bare Anatomy shampoo. That's the shampoo he uses for his curly hair. Curl defining shampoo from Bare Anatomy. It comes in this maroon bottle. This is the shampoo that Reed uses for his curls. I thought I'll just mention it in case my curly girls out here want any recommendation. It's affordable. It's 379 rupees. It's got 24% off. And he loves Moxie Beauty. Moxie Beauty really needs to sponsor him because he only uses the Moxie Beauty leave-in conditioner. I also got influenced by him and ordered this for myself. The Flyaway finishing hair mist for the Flyaway stick, जो you know जब अपन slick up या ponytail वगैरह करते हो उसके लिए. But the one he uses is this weightless leave-in conditioner for dry hair. It's 589 rupees currently. Moxie Beauty is a new brand again, like Indivild, very founder focused, very consumer focused. जैसा लोग बोल रहे हैं वैसा they are creating hair care products for curly hair, and I think it's doing really well. When I was maintaining my curls, I used to use the products that Reet was using. I would use it idhar udhar, but I'm not very religious with maintaining my curls. I just find Dysoning a lot better. Let me see how much the Dyson is for, and then I'll tell you if it's actually worth it. It's 46,000. I had bought it. The color I have is for 46,000 right now. They have a new color which is at full price, 49,000. I will link this for y'all, the Dyson Airwrap. Now let me tell you, if you have curly hair, like super curly hair, don't get it. It's not worth it. But if you have hair like mine, like मेरे बाल कैसे मालूम है, थोड़े थोड़े कर्ल्स है बीच में, and then नीचे से ना स्ट्रेट गिरते हैं. So it's almost, and ऊपर के जो ये वाला पोर्शन है, this is also straight, and नीचे के पोर्शन are also straight. तो खाली मेरे बीच में कर्ल्स गिरते हैं. So if my hair is almost so frizzy that any styling I do, it stays. Like my hair will now stay like this for the next 3 days. I have done Dyson today, and मुझे हफ्ते में 2 बार करना पड़ता है. तो मैं पहले हफ्ते में 2 बार ब्लो ड्राई कराने सैलून में जाती थी, and almost 3-3 हजार 4-4 हजार रुपया मेरा मतलब हफ्ते का सैलून का बिल होता था. अब वो पैसा नहीं खर्चा होता. So अब that I have saved that money, I feel like that 46,000 I put behind the Dyson is actually worth it, because it also gives you a blow dry that a normal blow dryer can't give you. Like this is not the blowout I did it very badly actually today. I did it in घाई. अच्छे से नहीं किया है मैंने, but अगर अच्छे से आप टाइम लेके करो and you learn how to use your Dyson, it will work so beautifully for you, and it will definitely be worth the money. The hair texture you need to use the Dyson Airwrap is a frizzy kind of a texture. If you have really smooth, really silky hair, it's not going to work for you. Don't even think about spending money because it's not for smooth silky hair. उसमें वो curls टिकने नहीं वाले, वो curls खुल जाएंगे. And मेरे भी बालों पे for this curls to last for 2 to 3 days, there's a product I use. It's the L'Oreal Techni Art Spray. Now that's my secret that my hairstylist actually recommended, and you don't even get it on Nykaa. You only get it in the salons, I think. I picked it up from the salon. Let me see if I get it. See, it's out of stock. It's 630 rupees. Out of stock on Nykaa. In case you get it offline stores में, या notify me करके देख लो अगर वापस आ जाएगा ये stock में. It's great. It's for texture and for hold. तो क्या करती हूँ मैं, गीले बाल पे I'll put heat protectant. I use the Kerastase heat protectant, and then उसके बाद I'll put the Techni Art Spray अच्छे से. तो वो एक तरीके का texture create हो जाता है बालों में, and then I'll do the Dyson Airwrap. So that texture sort of just holds. Like see, the texture is there, the volume's there in my hair. So my hair always looks like this big voluminous look, and for somebody like me who has such scanty hair, like almost no hair, I need to look as voluminous as possible. So this really helps me. It's a trick that I've been using, and it's a trick I'm sharing with you guys. Enough for my girls. I think we've shopped too much. I'm gonna show you what works for my men out there, what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna share with you like my little secrets because he's of course not watching a Pink Love sale video. Please girls, you all don't go and tell him what I'm getting for him, but okay, so I saw this wallet. It's by Tommy Hilfiger, and I've been meaning to get Reeth a wallet since the longest time because he lost his wallet, and we are all UPI people nowadays, so he was like, it's okay, like, you know, I don't need to buy a wallet. So he was just avoiding it, and wallet na deni chahiye, like you should gift a wallet, to barakat aati hai. ऐसा मैंने superstition में सुना है, तो बरकत आती है. तो I thought कि हाँ मैं दूंगी, but I've been looking for the longest time to get him the right shade of red because I have a red card holder, and they say it brings you a lot of luck and wealth, and this is my Gucci card holder is red, right? And I bought it, tabhi I didn't know of the superstition. But Shiv Shakti one day like just told me that red actually brings you good fortune and good luck. And I was like, oh wow, like after this card holder, I actually started shopping a lot more luxury like after this. Now I don't know if I should believe the superstition or if it's just pure luck or what it is, but it worked for me. If the superstition is right, red actually apparently brings you luck. This I bought for myself. Nobody gifted it to me. But I wanted, and I've been on the lookout for a good red wallet for Reeth. And I haven't been finding it in any brand. Like मैं कितने सारे brands में घूम चुकी हूँ to see. Or when I was at the Bangkok airport, I was looking at Longchamp and all these, you know, men brand like Boss and जितने भी दूसरे men brand है, मैंने उन सब में देख लिया. But मुझे नहीं मिला. But अभी जब मैं सोफा पे बैठ के I was scrolling, I finally found. Don't tell me it's sold out. No, it's not sold out. It's 3,000 rupees. It's not red. It's burgundy. It's solid burgundy, but it's a nice, like it's almost red, right? Because you don't get ekdam pure red for men. You mostly get black and brown only, but this is such a nice color. It's Tommy Hilfiger. It's 2,900. It's 50% off right now. I am adding it to bag and it will come by 12th February. Inshallah, it will come before Valentine's. It's such a nice wallet. I think you should get your man a wallet if you want to be his lady luck and add some luck inshallah in his life. Then I think it's a great gift to give. If you're feeling extra special, I really liked this Tommy Hilfiger belt also. I'll show you. It's this tan belt. I really liked it for Reeth. I'm not buying it abhi, but if you want to get it, you can. It's tan in color and it's got this. I just gifted him a belt and he doesn't wear trousers, like leather belt. Itna wo pehanta nahi hai. But if your man goes to office and he wants something like this, it's such a classy tan belt with a gold buckle. And this logo wale belts, they really stand out because men usually tuck their shirts in office, right? So it looks really good. Even for girls, like if you want for yourself, there is like really pretty logo wale belts in Tommy Hilfiger. I actually didn't realize before that there are such good belts in Tommy Hilfiger. Another thing that Reeth really wanted and I'm gonna get for him is men's jewelry. Like he bought this shell necklace in Bali and ever since then he's been obsessed with wearing like really like patla necklace and he's like, I want something in sterling silver, and he keeps mentioning it but he'll never shop for himself. So I was like, I will get it. So that is one thing, like, you know, you have to observe your partner's small things when they're talking and then think about gifting. वो जो normally अपने आप के लिए लेगा वो थोड़े मैं लूँगी. So I found this particular one that I really liked for him. Okay, this is an 18 karat gold. This is a Carlton London 18 karat gold plated fancy chain for men. It's just 922 rupees. So I don't think it is 18 karat gold. I think they're lying, but 1000 rupees ka hi, and it's gold. And I wanted to see what gold looks like on Reeth because I've never seen him wear gold as such. And then I got one silver also. I got this. This is just 539 rupees. It's a black pendant with a black stainless steel necklace chain and 560 rupees. So these are a couple of things that I'm actually getting for my partner. So I'm going to link it in case you all want to get it for your partners too. Just a couple of suggestions and that completes my Nykaa's Pink Love sale recommendations video. Very candid, very honest. None of this is sponsored. It's actually what I'm shopping for myself, what I'm shopping for my Valentine, and in case you want to shop for yours, then you have some recommendations from me in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sasko shout goes to Parijat Chobe. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part next to Sasko shout, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and chance for my next video, Sarah Squad shout. I'll see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.